Children's Book Week is the annual celebration of books for young people and joy of reading.
Established in 1919, Children's Book Week is the longest-running national literacy initiative in the country.
Every year, events are held nationwide at schools, libraries, bookstores, and in homes where the young readers and books connect.
The 2021 Children's Book Week will take place during 2 dedicated weeks of celebration, May 3rd to 9th and November 8th to the 14th.
Well, according to a new survey, children's reading in the UK and Ireland has improved in the last year.
The study called What Kids Are Reading Report by Renaissance Learning found that more than 1.1 million UK and Irish pupils read 23.6 million books.
It also showed that over half of those children asked said they really enjoyed reading and had read more during lockdown.
Picking up more challenging books.
The National Literacy Trust always found that 3 in 5 children said reading made them feel better during lockdown.
32% said it helped them feel less lonely.
Dr. Christina Clark from the National Literacy Trust said,
Half the children agreed that reading improved their well-being and encouraged them to dream about the future, offering a source of calm, escapism and relaxation.
I asked the man at school, we are lucky to have access to books in our school library.
We also have a vending machine where one pupil from every class has access to a book that they can keep and take home every single day.
So far, over 150 books have been given to pupils since Easter.
as a class, we all shared which books we enjoyed and why they had an influence on us. This is what we said.
Books can teach us things, take us to different places, make us laugh, know different emotions. Why don't you share a book you enjoy with somebody?